guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I hope you guys like my little setup. I tried something different. I am in the process of moving, so my setup will be very much different soon. Yeah, I just felt like I wasn't really feeling the tapestry for some reason. I just don't really like it. Looked like a backdrop, and I don't like backdrops. They're so like not personal. I like when people just have their room in the back and it's just a little bit personal. You get to see like how they live, their taste, their decor and stuff. So yeah, I just changed it. It will change again shortly, but so anyway, this video is going to be a soft glam makeup look. As you can see, soft glam makeup looks have been so popular lately and so many people have been doing tutorials on them, and I just wanted to do my take on a soft glam look and what I think soft glam is. Let me not make this intro too long. Let's get into the tutorial. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, so the key to the soft glam look seems to be your base products be very well blended. So that's gonna be my main focus for today. And nothing is cute blending on dry skin. I'm making sure I moisturize. This is the oil-free moisturizer for sensitive skin from Neutrogena. And this is my favorite moisturizer right now. Having a really good moisturizer or a really good primer base will really help for your products to blend better on the skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with the primer. Today I'm using the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up Face Primer Base. This is really good for smoothing out the complexion and really getting rid of any pores you might have. And also it does mattify the face. I'm just putting that on the center of my face. Next, I'm going with the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. This is my favorite foundation at the moment. It's kind of like a thinner consistency. It takes a lot to make this look cakey, but it still looks full coverage. So I'm just taking a beauty sponge. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in it. And because this foundation is so natural looking, I am going to go in with a second coat just to get that full coverage look. Next, I'm going to go with concealer. This is a key part of the soft glam look, making sure that your concealer is evenly blended into your foundation so you can't tell when your foundation and your concealer starts, but still having that very brightening effect under your eyes. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I love this concealer, especially for my under eyes, because it just blends out so smoothly and I feel like I get the most seamless look with this concealer. Now I'm just gonna blend that out. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer. I finished blending my concealer out, and that blended out very seamless. Another reason for that is because that concealer is very close to my skin tone. That concealer I just simply use to conceal and to add coverage. I don't use it so much to highlight. So this is a concealer I use to highlight, and this is the ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Dark 42. And I'm gonna go in with this underneath my eyes, but I'm gonna try to like keep this more closer to my eyes than taking this all the way down here. And I'm also going to highlight the middle of my brows, just because I get a lot of breakouts here and I really want like full coverage here. And the center of my nose. And today I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, loose setting powder in the shade 35. This one doesn't really highlight my face as much, but it smooths everything out so good. Like, I would recommend this to anybody. This makes your skin look so smooth. This is really gonna help with that soft look, because you know sometimes if you go in with like a powder that's too bright, it kind of like leaves lines.
Engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPEN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPEN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPEN, engaging is on my agenda.
And just look how smooth this side is compared to this side already.
Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Now that everything's all mattified and smoothed out, I am going to take some concealer underneath my brows, and then we're going to start on the eyes. So now for the eyes, I'm going in with my actual bronzer powder, or my contour powder, and this is the e.l.f. powder in Dark Deep, and this is very close to my skin tone. It's just like one shade darker, or it adds a sort of shadow that's like a little bit darker than my actual skin tone. So I'm gonna put this all over my crease, kind of like a transition color. And I'm making sure I really stay in that socket, that natural socket that you feel. I'm going to take a smaller brush and take a deeper shade of brown, and I'm gonna focus this right in that socket. I'm using this Morphe palette. This is the 9A Always Golden palette. Shade is called Bruise, and it's just this shade right here. It doesn't look on camera as deep as it actually is, but it is a pretty deep brown, and that's the color that I'm using right now. I'm going to take that face powder that I used and sort of like blend everything out. You want everything to look really, really soft, no harsh lines or anything. I'm gonna go with a bit of concealer and just put that on my eyelids. I'm gonna go into the same palette, and I'm using the shade Myself, which is just a light neutral brown color. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with a dark brown eyeliner. And this eyeliner that I'm using is the Auto Eyeliner by Nika K Makeup, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I just messed up my like concealer down here, so I just put a little powder to sit so that can like smooth out that area. I'm gonna stick with like a soft, fluttery, fanned out, what do you call it, like wispy lash, but I still want a dramatic lash because this is glam.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot.
Okay, now I am gonna go in and brighten my under eye just a little tiny bit. And to do that, I'm using this mineral powder by Ruby Kiss. But this is a very full coverage powder. It's meant to be a foundation, so I'm taking a very small amount and just packing this underneath my eye.
Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be.
Now I'm gonna go in with that e.l.f. face powder again and just use this sort of to like bronze up my skin.
Get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us.
So I'm gonna take some of the powder that I used to brighten underneath my eye. Just gonna take a small brush and go in right next to my nose. For soft glam, you don't really want any highlighter, so we're gonna skip highlighter today and go in with blush. I want to stick with the neutral tone, so I'm gonna go with this Kiko Milano blush. This is their Smart Color blush, and this is in the shade 09. It's kind of like a brown with some like red undertones and hues. This blush does have a bit of shimmer in it, but it's so unnoticeable. Go over the apples of my cheeks, keeping this more towards the back of my face instead of the front. Just gonna add some mascara to my lower lashes.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
And I'm gonna take my mascara and go over my brows just so I can get that nice bushy look. Now for lips, I'm going in with a brown lip liner, not too far from my skin tone. This one is a warm tone brown lip liner.
Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, shut it down.
Now I'm gonna go in with this creamy lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. This is their Color Reshine lipstick in the shade Glossy Fawn 900, and it's just like a nude. I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss. This is Nika K's 24 karat gold lip gloss, and it just has like gold flakes throughout it, but it's so juicy and glossy and I love it. And you can go in with some setting spray right now. I'm just not going to because the only setting spray I have right now is dewy, and I think adding like the dewy shine look will kind of mess up the soft glam look, so I'm just gonna keep my face matte. And this is my take on the soft glam look. Finally made it to the end of this video. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys like how this look turned out, definitely comment below, and also like this video so I know that you guys like this type of content and I'll do more makeup tutorials. Just definitely comment below and request whatever makeup looks you want me to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.